Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to briefly analyze Apple. First we'll find out its dividend score, and after that we'll check on the valuation with the help of fast graphs. So Apple has an enormous market cap of $2,783 billion, that's $2.78 trillion. The current stock price is $173.19 and they operate in the consumer electronics industry. If we look back 10 years, we can see that they have greatly overperformed the S&P 500, even if they are a big part of the index. This is with the dividends reinvested. Okay, so let's also take a look at the financial data. First off, an increasing sales growth annually of 11%. That's insanely good. The earnings growth are also insanely good at 22%. The analysts expect a bit weaker earnings ahead though, 9.83%. The return on capital is also extremely high, over 32%. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is only 1.11 years. So they can pay off their debt with the cash flow they are generating without any problems. Now for some yielding data, the dividend yield is only 0.53%. The buyback yield though is 3.10%, so they are buying back a lot of shares, which makes the combined shareholder yield over 3.6%. The payout ratio is also extremely good and low at only about 14.7%. And the growth rate is okay, 8.45%. And they have been growing this dividend for 9 years now. That makes up for a dividend score of 8 out of 10 points. Not too bad. But let's also do a deeper dive into the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Okay, here in fast graphs we can first take a look at the earnings. We can see that during the last recession they did extremely well as the disease previously in 2020. And the annual earnings growth rate is 28%, which is extremely good. If we also plot the dividend, we can see that they started to pay a dividend here at 2012 and they are steadily increasing it by about 9%. So they have a lot of room also to increase this dividend. If we actually compare to the free cash flow they are generating, we can see that the dividend is well covered. Back to the earnings. And also we can plot the price and the normal valuation that the stock is trading at. It's a bit hard to come by Apple at the bargain these days, and if we plot the current stock price to the normal valuation, which is PE about 20.6, we can see that the analysts expect a negative rate of return of about 8%. That's it for Apple for this time. If you found the video informative, please like it. See you next time. Hej då!